Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to get a glossy graphics in Roblox. So firstly, we'll open our browser and in the search panel, type Roshade. Then left click on the Google search. Now navigate to the Roshade website. From here, you will click on the download Roshade button. For this video, we'll just select the free version. So click on download on the free version, then download again. Now wait for 5 seconds as the link gets prepared. Press skip on the top right corner. Click on save. Now the download has been done. So double click on the application, then click on run. Now click on install. From here, make sure that you select the glossy and very glossy presets. Then click on install. Now let the install finish. Now click on next. After that, you can go to the search panel and from there type Roblox Player and open the Roblox Player app. Now open any game. I'll just open the camera face hangout game. Then after getting into the game, you'll see that the glossy effects are in the game and the game is looking far more beautiful than it was looking before.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.